Looks like I got Leroy right here. This is cool. How cool is this? They just get here at the exact same time, huh? That's pretty wild.
Ride with the motovlog.
All right, we got Leroy here from Ozark Riders. Super excited to meet up with him. Came down here to Henryetta. They're on a long road trip heading to...
Well, tonight, Tucumcari.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna.
Hey, you said it right.
You said
Tucumcari right.
I said it right. Hey, listen, I've been studying on that.
I just realized we're aiming the sun. We'll do this way, so that way we can actually not like have the sun right into the camera.
No,
so.
I've been doing it right.
Yeah, no, you have.
I've been practicing.
Yeah.
Well, I figured someone's gonna ask me. I had to practice. But it's some of the others I might get a little confused.
Yeah.
No, we 3,300 miles. 10, 11 days, whatever, and we're not in any big hurry. Just, we're going to get the interstate part done today. Yeah. And then the interstate is the last day.
Yeah. Kind of have to hit those if you want to go where you want to go, especially when you live in our states. You kind of have to book it to get where you want to go. So.
Sure do.
Ozark Riders, man, if you haven't seen his channel, go check it out. Love this guy. He's always been a big supporter of the Mild Hogz. Has reached out to me, contacted me. We've talked to each other. Also helped support us going to Arkansas as well. And that was a huge help. But I also have a special treat because Leroy sent me stickers, and I don't get to do this very often, but I'm gonna have Leroy put his sticker on my tour pack instead of like it being vice versa and me having to do it. So he gets to choose where he actually wants to put that sticker on the tour pack. Bro, check this out. Man, Leroy, you're gonna make me have to buy new things. Golly. No. Awesome. Check it out. Ozark Riders. If you haven't, go subscribe. Go check out the channel. Gonna have good videos coming out here. Driving out to Arizona. It's gonna see a lot of sightseeing, but all right, Leroy, you plant your sticker wherever you want, my friend.
I think I'm gonna go in the top right corner, right there.
There you go.
Is that all right?
You can put it wherever you want. There you go, Arkansas representing.
There you go.
There you go. Perfect. Thank you, Leroy. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for making the time for me and meeting up and just being such a supporter for the Mild Hogz, man. You've been there from the very beginning,
and vice versa. You know, my subscriptions, they're going up, going up. I think I looked today and it's 93.
Hey, you're getting there.
I said I was going to get to 100.
I'm going to drop this one soon, so that way we're going to get Leroy over 100 while he's on this road trip. That's the goal. We're going to make that happen for him. That 100 mark means something. Like there's something to it of just being able to have like validation of it. It doesn't, we don't do it. I know Leroy doesn't do it for to get famous or anything like that. It's about capturing the experiences and getting out on two wheels,
showing other people
the world
your experience, what you do. And it's everybody does something different. That's why you don't just go to and subscribe to one channel. You subscribe to a bunch. And look and see a lot of these people that don't have a lot of subscribers. Get in there and subscribe to them. It doesn't cost you a penny.
It's free.
Right. It sure does.
And it also is part of the community. That's how you find out new people, get to meet new people, and meet other people that have 40 motorcycles. You want to turn the camera around and show your face real quick. 40 motorcycles. What? We're talking. Dang.
That was a lifetime achievement for me.
Yeah, dude, no doubt. That is unbelievable. Well, you guys be safe, man. All right. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate the opportunity to meet up with you, okay? All right.
And give your best to Shannon and to all the other Mild Hogz.
Yeah, I'll definitely give it to all the other Mild Hogz. I don't know about Shannon. No.
I gotta show you where I put your.
Everybody knows, Shannon, you're the life of the party in this group that I have. That's myself and you. That you're the number one. So. Hey!
And it's the signature.
Oh, it's the signature one. I started doing that, by the way, just to be kind of funny because, we're not a big deal in our hometown. Nobody knows us in our hometown. But we might be a big deal now after meeting Two Lane Life. Not really, I'm joking. But look at that. Check that out.
I figure it'd be worth about $1 million.
Yeah, it might be worth a penny. 10 years from now, it might be worth a penny. But I started signing stickers for people just to have some fun and joy with it. So it does have Brent and Shannon's name on them. So if you want one of those, reach out to me, let me know. I'm glad to get that to you. So, all right, thanks for checking out our channel. We appreciate all of you being a part of the Mild Hogs. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you on the other side. Happy trails to you. Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. Welcome back, Mild Hogs. Hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend. Woo! First off, I'm going to start out with a huge celebration to our troops everywhere across this globe. Thank you for those that have served. Thank you for those that are serving. And most importantly, thank you for all those that will be serving in their futures. And so, Mild Hogs, without a doubt, shadow of doubt, support our troops and our country. So thank you so much for all the sacrifices you've made, and also the sacrifices that your families have made too as well. That does not go unnoticed. And it reminds me, if you have not done it, I'm asking you, everyone, please let me know if you want our stickers. I do have them, and then I'll ship them to you. If you ship me some of yours too as well, if you don't have them and you still want some of our stickers, well, let me know, because I'd be glad to be able to send them your way. But speaking of our last video, if you have not had the opportunity to go check out our finally video, there's a reason why it's worded finally, by the way, just so you know. But it's with Two Lane Life, and man, what an experience with a lot of great friends. You got to see the Oklahoma boys, got to see Kansas couple. We rode with them mainly because we've been communicating behind the scenes, and then we got to meet other people there too as well, which you can see on the video, so go check them out. And it's just a wonderful time. I tried to do a tribute and an honor to how Two Lane Life does their video photography and how they do their cinematography on their videos by cut clipping and trying to do a little bit of like jump clips too as well. So I'm hoping that plays out really well, hoping people like it. But if you haven't got a chance to go see it, please go do, and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you on, you know, what you felt like worked well, what I could do differently. I'm always open to hearing feedback from all of you. And I also want to say thank you to all the subscribers too as well. Whether you're the first subscriber or the 1,300 subscriber and all the ones in between, we really appreciate your commitment and support of our channel. It's been really humbling just to hear the sentiments and the words. And that being said too, if there are pop shots to be thrown my way, please do so. My isotoner gloves you can definitely make fun of. You can, you know, if there's other things out there that you see on the videos, you're like, bro, what are you doing? Call me out. I love it. That kind of banter and humor is what I enjoy, and that is who we are as the Mild Hogs too, as well as I just run over dead roadkill on the road, and blood and guts were everywhere. So that was kind of cool. But yeah, if there's something that you want to say, like, say it. You're not going to offend me, not going to bother me, so you don't have to worry about putting a comment like, hey, I hope this wasn't, you know, slamming you too hard or anything like that, because honestly, folks, if we can't laugh at ourselves, then, you know, I think it'd be a pretty sad world to live in. So I love making fun of myself. I do it all the time, and make fun of others too as well. So you know, it's fun banter, and you're more than welcome to send it my way. I love it. I'm gonna get over so this car sees us, hopefully. Talk about that all the time, man. You just gotta anticipate what you wouldn't think would happen is gonna happen when you're riding motorcycles. Even when you see them stopped, they're really not stopped. Even when you see them turn, they're not really turning. They may be turning. You always just have to have that mindset of what you think they're doing, they're probably not doing, and what you think they should do, they're not doing either as well. As you can tell on our last video, when a car about took me out on a construction zone. Oh, coming back to it, that reminds me, finally, there's a purpose that is behind that, and thank you, Kansas couple, for this one, and also you too as well, Jerry. But I know, you know, when you're doing series and you're doing videos, sometimes you don't really know, like, you're filming all this stuff and you just can't really, while you're filming it, at least my brain doesn't work this way. Maybe there's some really unbelievable people out there that can do this, but I just don't really know, like, what the storyline's going to be for each time I'm filming, because I don't really, we ad-lib our stuff. We don't really go through the process of, like, mapping out, which probably I should do a lot more of. That probably would help tremendously, but my brain doesn't really work that way. It's more just kind of in the moment. So the reason why it's labeled Finally is not only because finally we get to meet 2 Lane Life, right? Like, how cool is that? The second part of that is I was getting made fun of quite a bit on that video not coming out for like 3 months from now, because when we do our video series, we do them in like these long spurts. So like a two-day trip in Arkansas that might be 10 videos, 10 weeks long. So I wanted to prove everybody wrong and say, you know what? Hey, 2 Lane Life got their video out on Wednesday. We're going to get our video out on Saturday right afterwards, so that way it can showcase the other side of the camera from what 2 Lane Life had. So, but yeah, that was the reason where it came from, the word finally. It's always interesting when you have motorcyclists pull up and you're kind of like, I don't know if this happens to all of you out there, but you're kind of like, do I give them stickers? Do I go connect with them? You know, because you don't want to, like, get in their way or something like that. I don't even know what you want to call it, but, like, you know, distract them or whatever. But then you also want to go connect with people. So this is like this kind of like oxymoron situation where it's like, this is what we want to do, and I don't know if this is what we want to do. Oh man, it's just funny to me. Cracks me up. Man, what a cool time meeting up with Leroy there and just having some communion time with each other. That was a pretty neat experience. Such a good dude. We got to get him over that 100 mark. I know that means something when you do that. And so it's such a huge accomplishment in a YouTube channel's world of hitting that 100 mark. It kind of, I don't know, there's just something about it. I know Cookie just went over 200 subscribers on his channel, and there's something about that, those 100 marks that have impact. I mean, it doesn't take away from obviously all the people that want to watch your channel and want to be a part of it, but it definitely is interesting how those 0 marks do to the psyche of what you're doing. And I think that's probably for every YouTube channel. You know, obviously getting to 1,000 is like, I think, almost monumental. It is really hard to grow channels on YouTube. You do have to be very consistent in what you're doing. You have to make sure that you label things correctly. You gotta really pay attention to your titles. I know Bogey just did a video on this and did such a great job, Jack, of explaining like the ins and outs of what he's learned over the last 3 years, and I will tell you, everything that he said is 100% spot on.